Tragedy. Aeroplane crash. Thank God it's not Tinubu. Popular prophet lament over Rùmøùr. Hey, my people, no be small thing. I tell you, say this very information we just enter our studio. Now information we first come out as rumor. Say our president don't be involved in aeroplane crash. According to what the man of God said, he said, thank God it's not Tinubu. Now so all of us go to thank God do say no be Tinubu. But what about the people who lose their life? She na them na him supposed to lose their life. Are they not the same human being like Läméñt Tinubu? Let's check the content. This is today's news. Few hours ago, 3 fatal plane accidents occurred, killing several passengers on the spot. According to the report, the first fatal plane crash happened in Niger Republic, the second in Kano, while the third in Abuja. According to the report, there were 12 Boko people and 2 pilots in that plane when it crashed. The dead bodies were later taken to the mortuary for preservation and autopsy as they await identification for their families to pick them up for burial purposes. The plane in Abuja that got crashed was mistaken to be the plane which Bola Ahmed Tinubu boarded. Information has gone round as Rùmøùr has taken up, claiming that the president has boarded a plane which just crashed. A popular man of God, Prophet Elijah, has said that to God be the glory is not the president. Nigerians have begun to react, saying, what if he is the one? Is he more important than the people who lost their lives? So, it is more important to keep the life of the president and sacrifice the life of those who are his members. It's quite unfortunate. Criticism of this man of God has gone viral as Nigerians began to lay course upon course. You see that? Imagine 12 people died and they are comparing those 12 people to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. See, let me tell you people, my dear listeners. Let us just stop this sentiment. And that is why sometimes I don't try to believe any man of God or anybody that call he or ourselves a man of God. So from this very statement coming from this man of God, it means that these people are more important than Tinubu is more important than these 12 people. By saying, thank God it's not Mr. President. So what if it is now Mr. President? Listen to what people were saying on from the comment section. Samuel Akiyoade, he said, my condolence to these families. It's painful, but then what shall we do? We shall just take our hearts. For those who lost their life, I plead to God for mercy. This is another person. He said, God punish you there. Is Tinubu more important than these souls that have lost their lives? Imagine this fake pastor. Have you seen that? Una go hear word. Come hear this one. My sincere condolence to this deceased. How I wish it was Mr. Tinubu. I would have celebrated. Have you seen that? See, let me tell you something. If someone is doing well, people will take that person to be important and would not want any single crash to touch him or her. Do you understand? And that is one thing all of us really need to know. So let us not take Tinubu to be more important than the citizen. We are talking about 12 people here. 12, not just one. And I believe that these 12 people will be even very young people. Tinubu might even be older than them. You understand? And that's just it. Let's quickly hear from you and let's know what your take and what your opinion on all that has just been revealed may be. Don't forget to comment, my dear listeners. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.